Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a popular streaming app for Firestick users, Streamflix. Whether you're into movies, TV shows, or live sports, Streamflix has you covered. Stick around as we guide you through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Prepare your Firestick. First things first, ensure your Firestick is powered on and connected to your TV. Navigate to the home screen and make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Step 2. Enable apps from unknown sources. Since Streamflix isn't on the Amazon App Store, we'll need to enable installation from unknown sources. Don't worry, it's easy and safe. Here's how you do it. From the Firestick home screen, go to Settings. Scroll right and select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Enable apps from unknown sources. Step 3. Install Downloader app. To download Streamflix, we'll use the Downloader app. If you haven't installed it yet, follow these quick steps. Return to the Firestick home screen. Search for Downloader using the magnifying glass icon. Select Downloader from the search results and click Download. Step 4. Download Streamflix APK. Now, let's get Streamflix onto your Firestick. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the Streamflix APK download link. You can find this link in the video description below. Click Go and wait for the download to complete. Step 5. Install Streamflix. Once the APK file is downloaded, it's time to install Streamflix. The Downloader app will prompt you to install Streamflix. Click Install. After installation, you can choose to delete the APK file to save space on your Firestick. Step 6. Launch and enjoy Streamflix. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Streamflix on your Firestick. Now, let's launch it. Go back to the Firestick home screen. Scroll down to your apps and channels. Find Streamflix and click to launch it. Conclusion. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy a vast library of entertainment with Streamflix on your Firestick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!